Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Gold Foundry EA for MT5. This is a gold scalping system that is designed to thrive in high volatility and news-driven conditions. So let's look at the claims and the backtest results carefully. All right, so as you can see, it goes for 199 US dollars. And if you expand this, you see from the MQL5 page that the Gold Foundry is an expert advisor built exclusively for XAUUSD on MetaTrader 5. The core idea is to exploit gold's volatility, especially during the most nervous market moments, major news releases, strong directional days, and high volatility sessions, rather than switching off during those periods. It focuses on lower time frames such as M1 or M5, uses volatility as candle ranges, intraday ranges, micro movements as the core of its logic. It looks out for frequent setups with small targets and quick exits and aims to close the overall basket in profits as often as possible. The developer notes that under particularly favorable conditions and aggressive settings, a small account can theoretically see large daily growth, while also stressing that such outcomes are exceptional, not guaranteed, and that aggressive settings increase the risk of loss. Conservative and aggressive modes are available. Alright, so the key features include specialization for gold only, automatic scalping on lower time frames, preference for high volatility and news environments, suitability for small starting capitals from around $100 with conservative settings, and the ability to choose between more conservative or aggressive risk profiles. Installation is described as attaching the EA to an XAUUSD chart on M1 or M5, configuring risks according to capital, and then on enabling auto trading. Okay, so no backtests or screenshots were provided on the website by the developer. But I was able to carry out my own personal backtests and test the EA's performance and kind of relate it to the claims of the developer here on the website. So let's quickly head over to MT5 and see how the EA actually performed. As you can see, I already have it installed. I tested it on the recommended XAUSD pair, the gold pair, on the recommended time frame, the M1, and I used a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for a 10K account, my initial deposit being $10,000. As you can see, the equity curve shows a severe and sustained decline. From the results, the net profit, which was actually a loss in this case, is approximately $8,850. The profit factor is below 1, which is bad, at 0.87, and maximum relative drawdown, which is roughly 89%. Okay, so this is a clear losing result under the tested settings and period. A system that deliberately seeks high volatility and news-driven conditions can generate many small wins in favorable regimes, but the same environment can also produce rapid, large losses when volatility turns against open positions or when baskets fail to close profitably. The marketing emphasis on exceptional daily growth potential on small accounts must be weighed against the reality of an almost 90% drawdown in this particular test. Scalping gold on lower time frames is inherently high risk. Adding a preference for the most turbulent periods further elevates that risk. Let's go back to the website. Honestly, the features that matter most are the risk mode chosen, conservative versus aggressive, strict position size in relative to account size, Continuous monitoring, and realistic expectations that high volatility environments cut both ways. The absence of any claim of greed or martingale does not remove the risks of large equity swings when many fast trades or baskets are involved. This CA may suit traders or experienced gold scalpers who specifically want automation that stays active during high volatility periods and who fully accept the possibility of large drawdowns. But you should strongly avoid this EA if you have a small account you cannot afford to lose. If you prefer systems that reduce activity during news, cannot tolerate high drawdowns, or are new to gold scalping, the combination of lower time frame scalping and a preference for turbulent conditions makes this a high risk tool. Okay, as I've stated, seeking news and high volatility can produce outside losses as easily as outside gains. Small accounts, aggressive settings amplify both. The tested period produced a near account destroying drawdown. So in practice, you start with the most conservative settings on a demo account, use a low spread broker, keep risks minimal, and treat any claims of rapid growth as exceptional scenarios only. Past results never guarantee future performance. Overall, the Gold Foundry EA is a gold scalping system designed to operate actively during high volatility and news-driven market phases. The shared backtest showed a severe net loss and nearly 90% drawdown. Independent verification under conservative settings and clear acceptance of the elevated risks are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you'd like me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex over on the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.